Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna... Whoa. Okay, I get it. Y'all don't like my engine mount. Well, I don't like my engine mount either. The last time I ran the car with slicks, the engine torqued over enough to cause the steering to get tangled up in the header a little bit. I'm only gonna be doing the driver's side this time around. I don't think I need both sides. We're going to a solid engine mount. I have an energy suspension polyurethane mount in it right now. They're good for around 500 horsepower. When you start pushing slicks and other things like that, it doesn't help the engine mount that much. So let's get this fixed. There's the engine mount. It's connected to the power steering pump. They are not that fun to do on the driver's side. Not particularly hard, but accessibility is, let's just say, to be desired. Well, let's take a look at the damage. There is damage. So first, definitely polish that plate. Everything's straight, no bends on it, on anything. Polyurethane seen better days. I'm not sure how much of that you can see. It's not tore, but I don't know how much longer it was gonna last. I can take and look real closely. Just as a reminder, I did put this mount in when I put the engine in the car. So it's not that old, but it has been abused. Granted, I haven't driven the vehicle yet, but the startup doesn't feel much different. It feels a little rougher. The engine used to torque over right at the initial fire up, doesn't do that, but overall doesn't shake the car excessively, doesn't idle any different than it did with the polyurethane mounts. Well, that's it for this video. If you liked it, be sure to hit that like button. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions, leave them down below. And if you want to support the channel, you want to give me a hand, you can hit that subscribe button. On that note, we'll catch you on the next one.